Okay, I'm at the property on Grand. There's a studio back there, but we can't see it today because the lady rents it out. It is on the corner of a busy street, which is Orchard. Not terribly busy, but it is on the corner here. It's got a big driveway. 3-car garage here. And then 3-car garage there. Beautiful front yard. It's got a kitchen here. Here's the garage. Washer dryer.
There's 2 sheds in the back.
Is that right? Okay.
Yeah, there's one in the car and one right here, and those are both on.
Fireplace.
Oh, is that right?
Yes.
Oops. Living area. Fireplace. There's Mary. And there's Sandra. Office. Okay. Bedroom. Bathroom. And this must be a master. Here's the very large backyard. The studio apartment over here. Oops, it's not focusing. Focus. Okay. Definitely enough room to build a workshop.